Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can delete your avatar on Messenger. It's super easy to do. Let me show you how you can do it. Open up your Messenger app and then log into your account and go to main menu at the bottom right corner, and then you will pop up over here. So you can see over here bunch of options over here. You can simply do is click on the settings button on the top below your profile name. So simply click on that and then you will pop up over here. So you have to do is simply scroll up until you see this avatar option over here. So simply click on that and then you will comes in this page and you will see your avatar in this black screen, and you have to simply do is click on edit avatar, and then you will comes in edit avatar section, and you will see over here on the top beside the save button you will see three dots. Click on that and then you will pop ups over here the two options over here, or like three options over here: avatar settings, switch avatar, or delete avatar. And simply click on delete avatar button and then simply click on delete, and then it's gonna be deleted your avatar. As you can see over here, it's deleting, and wait for a while to completely delete it, and then exit editor, and then it's gonna be deleted and nobody can see your avatar over here, and that's it. You can see over here there is no avatar over here, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.